788 Link 5.
United 788 Boston, Charter Center maintain 4000.
So good day, this is a new unboxing video from Alfred. I'm here with twinSim and I'm pretty happy to have this parcel here in my hands coming from Flight Illusion. Here we go. Alright, this is flaps gauge. Very nice. Alright, this is a radar altimeter. Alright, so here it's something like, I think the knob should be on, okay, on here. So let's put this piece together again. Might be broken. Yeah, that looks broken. So I think that's not something to blame the guys. I think it's to blame DHL, but that's not fitting anymore. We have to look into this later. This is a built to order prop amps engine instrument. This is a very special one. This is a Beech Baron airspeed indicator built according to a file that I distributed to the guys from Flight Illusion, and they made it absolutely according to the one I sent them. It looks really good. Finally, they have a twin engine gauge for the airspeed. This is cool. Alright, this is artificial horizon. Okay. That looks really, really awesome. Alright, something built to order again. This is a de-icing pressure gauge. I'm not yet 100% sure how I can get the values out of the Coronado aircraft to drive it, but yeah, let's keep on having challenges. So there are some more cables, of course, included for connecting and for daisy chaining the gauges. Basically, they look brilliant. We have one little victim of transportation. Yeah, gonna look into this deeper. Maybe it's possible to put it on again, but that's something that shouldn't be too much of a problem. All in all, I just can say I'm absolutely happy. I'm pleased, and I'm looking very much forward to seeing those gauges come to action very, very soon. So, after a little playing around and reading the manual, the first 4 gauges are connected to the center interface board, which you can see here. As I said before, the connection can be done quite according to one's desire, so it could be, in this case, with 4 outputs, every gauge connected to the input board In this case I connected 3 and one is daisy chained and goes through another one. The input port is connected via USB to the PC and with the power adapter to electricity. So let's plug in and see what happens. Gauges are aligning. I'm making some kind of self-test. So, next thing is to open up the software. Let's look into the configuration. Here you see that on port 3, the G-step control unit that is the device connected to the gauges is running. So 4 gauges are connected. That's the altimeter, that's the attitude indicator, that's one large gauge that's used for the radar altimeter, and one large gauge that's used for the indicated airspeed. Calibration process was pretty much straightforward. It's not completely plug and play, but you just need to read the manual to think a little bit how to drive the gauge. In my case, I spent most of the time now with the airspeed because it's built to order. Let's look into this one. Here you see the configuration plate. You can test it, you can switch the light on, and you have a calibration dialog. As I said before, it's pretty straightforward once you have some basic idea how it works. And I don't want to go through it right now, just want to say it's running now correctly, and I just click here and say continue. We are currently in a flight mode. I unpause, and what I do more is I click on nav lights there now, and you see what happens. Nothing, not good. Okay, it's halted. That's very important. If you want to make changes, it's advisable to halt the connection between the gauges and the sim. I now click on run, and here we are going. They are all adapting to the flight phase we are having right now, and I click now on in the aircraft on nav lights. I've configured it that all the backlight goes on with nav light switched on, and here we go. So compared to other gauge manufacturers, the motors here are hardly to be heard. What you can hear, maybe you hear it on the video, is some high frequency tone. I guess it's mainly coming from the attitude indicator. So let's level out. So this completes my video. In the end, I want to give you a few impressions of the gauges built into my brand new panel. I hope you liked it. Bye for now.